Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. I am doing quietly because I don't want to be told that I can't video in the store. So if you want to know what I buy at the store for fall, just stick around. Action fun and back to Lock 19 with Marta. Well, if you saw my other video, you saw that I was looking at Crate and Barrel and I went to Big Lots and I was looking for things I could purchase that were affordable. So now I am trying at Kmart and there are a lot of things here. I don't know how affordable they're going to be, but if they are affordable, then I'm going to be a happy camper. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I found that I think are really pretty, but I think are too expensive. So, for example, this, which is very pretty, is $12.99. I think that's too expensive, so I'm not going to get that one. And now I don't know how to put it back. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one, which is adorable, is $12.99, so I'm not going to get it. And this beautiful, beautiful wreath is $35. I'm not going to get it. So, as I was looking at all of these very beautiful things that they have, a very nice lady said, go to the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to try the Dollar Tree. I got to the store and the first thing I see is this ginormous sign that says ribeye steaks, $1 each. That looks pretty good. I'm going to try it out. I also like those $1 signs. I have to confess, I'm very excited because I've never been to a dollar store before. So I have found a lot of things that are very inexpensive, but I've also found a few things that it's better to get it at the supermarket. For example, these little sausages, let me see where they are. No, I'm so afraid somebody's going to tell me, you can't video here. But these little sausages are sometimes on sale for about 79 cents, and here they're $1. So you do need to know your prices. I'm going to see if I can check out the steaks. These are the steaks. They're $1. This is supposed to be boneless ribeye. I didn't buy too many because I want to see what it tastes like. I also bought this one that is half a pound of beef patty skillet. I don't know what it is. Mix. So this is a mix of beef, salt, dextrose. I don't like that too much, but I think my son will like it. And this was $1. And I bought some of these little fresheners because they're gonna smell like pumpkin and make my home more festive. Just about now, I am wondering why people don't just shop at dollar stores. They have everything here. They have shampoos, they have creams, they have nail polish, they have makeup, they have vitamins, they have baby products, they have party products, and everything is $1. I'm amazed. I wish I would have found this place before. I did not know. There's this little Dollar Tree near my house, but it's not a Dollar Tree, it's a dollar store, and things are $1 and up. So I thought all dollar stores were the same. I am happy that I found this store, and I will be coming here more often. Food, you can get vegetables, frozen vegetables. I didn't see any fresh vegetables, but you can get frozen vegetables. I saw like Salisbury steak, I saw chicken, everything's $1. This is crazy. So hey, my new favorite place to shop. But that's if I needed something. I wish I need something. I don't need much. Let me show you the little decoration that I did. There we go. There is my centerpiece. And in the middle of the centerpiece, what I did is I put that air freshener. Can you see that? Right in there. So now my house smells fresh like a pumpkin. Now I'm gonna go cook that steak and show you what it looks like. I cooked my ribeye. It is individually portioned, so they're very small. You get 3 ounces. This is great if you're on a diet. That would be 140 calories. They defrost super fast because they're very thin. And what I am having for dinner is the ribeye steak
the stir-fried broccoli. This is one artichoke right over there. That's one artichoke. And some coleslaw. And right there for my visual enjoyment is, let me see if I can get it for you. There's my decoration. And that's it. Let me tell you what it tastes like, okay? It's pretty good. Hey, for $1, I would say that it is great. So I hope that you say my video is great. Please like and subscribe. And I hope, more important than all of that, that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.